This video shows why I'm interested in Hang Seng Tech, even though Hong Kong market Hang Seng isn't doing well. But what we can't deny was that last year we saw a 60% rise in Hang Seng Tech. Right, and then this time around I'm pointing out because I believe that this is just a retracement of the previous up move, and that the up move could see a support at this moment. So let's take a look at my technical analysis. Let's talk about the past 2 to 3 years movement of Hang Seng Tech. It has been making a higher low here. So this is a low point, but then this point here is actually higher than the previous low. Now this could be a hint to say that price is getting stronger, as each time when sellers sell, then buyers are willing to buy at a higher price. Right. Second is that the resistance is still strong at 5,004. However, there is intermediate resistance here, which is about 4,008. At this moment, price is being supported by this green color support level. That's about 4,670. This was a previous resistance that turns to become a support level. So all in all, Hang Seng Tech could be seen as part of a retracement movement of this upward movement, with a possible another leg of an upward movement here. Now this is on condition that the 4,800 resistance, which is somewhere around here, it's broken, then it might have chance to move towards the 5,000 resistance level. The 5,000 resistance level is a round number, but truly a historical level resides around this level here, which we can see is about 5,300 to 400 level. If you would like to invest into Hang Seng Tech without changing into Hong Kong dollar, now of course that if I take a look at the Sing dollar versus Hong Kong chart, then you know that right now the Hong Kong dollar is at the strongest for the past 2 years, because it's at the low of the band. If price is around here, then Sing dollar is strong, because 1 Sing dollar can get you approximately 6 Hong Kong dollar. But right now it's at the 2-year low. 1 Sing dollar can only get you about 5.7 Hong Kong dollar. So if you are not going to change your money into Hong Kong dollar to invest into Hang Seng Tech, then SGX provide you the option for you to invest in Hang Seng Tech without changing into Hong Kong dollar. There are 3 DLCs provider daily leverage certificates, which will be for DLCs. Now first will be SocGen, another one will be UBS, and then lastly the third one is Mirai Asset. So these 3 companies have their DLCs being listed in SGX that provides investors and traders to trade into short-term Hang Seng Tech movement. Alright, again, that to explore whether DLCs is suitable, but if you take a look at my analysis in Hang Seng Tech, then yes, Hang Seng Tech might be a retracement of a previous upward movement. Monitor closely and trade safe. If you like my channel, remember to hit the subscribe button so that you'll be updated with any new videos that I'm going to launch. And see you in my next video.